In Bangladesh, the sweet and smoothing sound of cuckoo is a common melody heard every spring morning. The delightful sound is the call of the cuckoo, a bird that often associated with the arrival of spring. For many, the sound of the cuckoo is like natural alarm clock, signaling the change of season and the arrival of warmth. The cuckoo is a long, slender bird with slightly bent bill, extended tail, and pointed wings. This feature set the cuckoo apart from other birds. One of the most unique aspects of the cuckoo is its reproductive behavior. Unlike other birds, cuckoos lay their eggs in the nest of other birds. When the host bird is away, the female cuckoo carefully removes off the host eggs and replaces it with one of her own. The cuckoo's egg quickly hatches, usually within 12 days, and the chick emerges completely naked. In the early stage of its life, the cuckoo chick will push the other eggs or newly hatched chicks out of the nest to ensure it gets all the food and care from the foster parents. Male cuckoos are often loud and active, calling persistently even during the night. Their calls are striking and rather monotonous, which can be heard from the distance. In contrast, female cuckoos are more reserved, with softer and less noticeable. Despite their loud and somewhat solitary nature, cuckoos are beloved in Bangladesh, especially for their sweet and melodious voice. The sound of the cuckoos is so enhancing that people often compare individual with pleasant voice to the cuckoo. In Bangladesh, the cuckoo is not just a bird, it is a symbol of the beauty of spring, filling the air with its unforgettable song and reminding us. In Bangladesh, the cuckoo is not just a bird, it is a symbol of the beauty of spring, filling the air with its unforgettable song and reminding us of the vibrant life that flourishes during this season. The cuckoo's enhancing call adds to the charm of springs, making it one of the most beloved birds in the country. Thank you very much to listen this audio.